Hi everyone, my name is Nitin. I'm an experienced OET trainer. In this video, let's discuss how to answer GIST type of questions in OET reading part B. To begin with, what are GIST questions? These are questions that ask us to find out your ability to understand the main idea or theme of an extract. Rather than asking us to find out a specific piece of information, these questions ask, what is the main idea of the extract? What is the purpose of the email? What is this notice conveying to all staff members? In all these questions, all answer options may seem relevant. However, only one of them best summarizes the extract. Now, let us address the elephant in the room. How to tackle these questions? Firstly, read the whole text and understand it. Do not get fixated by specific keywords in the extract. Secondly, identify the main theme. Ask yourself the question, what is the text mainly discussing about? Thirdly, do not get distracted by additional information given in the extract because this information may not be changing the main purpose or idea of the extract. Finally, cancel out or eliminate the wrong answer options because these options may be partially true, misleading, or may not be answering the question. Now, let us attempt 3 sample questions and figure out how to answer these questions correctly. Let's start with the first question. Firstly, let us read the entire extract. First sentence, bacteria multiply rapidly at temperature between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, commonly known as danger zone. Food left in this range for extended periods can develop harmful bacteria, increasing the risk of foodborne illness. The first 2 sentences states that if food are left between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, that may lead to bacterial growth. Let's move to the third sentence. To prevent this, food should be stored below 5 degrees Celsius or heated above 60 degrees Celsius. Refrigeration slows bacteria growth while cooking at high temperature kills harmful microorganisms. Now, the next 2 sentences, what does that convey? It conveys that how to avoid food contamination or how to ensure that bacteria doesn't grow in our food. And how to do that? You can do that either by killing bacteria by raising the temperature to more than 60 degrees Celsius or refrigerating the food below 5 degrees Celsius. I hope that clear. Let's move to the next part. Proper food handling, including washing hands, using separate utensils for raw and cooked food, and storing perishable items correctly helps reduce contamination risk. This sentence also conveys how to avoid food contamination. You can see the methods. It includes washing hands, using separate utensils, and storing perishable items correctly. Moving to the next paragraph. Additionally, maintaining proper kitchen hygiene is crucial. Washing hands before handling food, using separate cutting boards for raw and cooked ingredients, ensuring utensils are properly sanitized can significantly reduce the risk of contamination. This part also tells us how to avoid the risk of contamination. Next, certain bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli are particularly dangerous, causing severe gastrointestinal infections if consumed. The last sentence names the bacteria that can cause food contamination. Now, after finishing the entire extract, we need to ask the question to ourselves. What is the main theme discussed in the paragraph? You can see that the first 2 sentences gives us information about the temperature range in which bacteria can thrive inside food. And after that, a major chunk of the extract discusses about the ways to avoid food contamination. And the last sentence gives us information regarding the names of bacteria that causes food contamination. Now, let's move to the options. Let's start with option A. It states, explain the need for temperature control in food storage. Is it mentioned in our extract? Yes, it may be mentioned or certain part of that option is mentioned, but is it the purpose of the extract? Let's see. You can see the first sentence gives us information about the temperature range in which bacteria can thrive, and then it says that above 60 degrees Celsius, if food is heated, bacteria can die, and below 5 degrees Celsius, if it is refrigerated, it slows down the growth of bacteria. Only those information are being told about the temperature range in the extract. But if you look at it, you can see that only 2 sentences or in this entire extract discuss about the temperature range. Moreover, it doesn't explain the need for temperature control in food storage, isn't it? Now, let's move to the second option. Describe how bacteria multiply and cause foodborne illnesses. Here it says that, in this extract, it says that the bacteria can multiply between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. But it doesn't explain how bacteria multiply or causes foodborne illnesses. We can say that the last sentence states that, or it gives the name of the bacteria that causes foodborne illnesses, but the how is missing. How it causes foodborne illnesses, that is not explained in this extract. If you look carefully, like we discussed before, the main chunk of the extract discusses on the ways to avoid food contamination or how to avoid bacteria growth in the food, isn't it? So what will be the answer? Answer is option C. Provide guidelines on preventing bacteria growth in food. I hope that is clear. Now let's move to the second question. You can see the second question along with the extract on the screen. Let's start reading. Hand hygiene is one of the most effective measures to prevent the spread of infection in healthcare setting. Healthcare workers are advised to clean their hands frequently using soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. So the first two sentences, what do they convey? It states the importance of hand washing and how it should be done. It should be done with water or soap or alcohol-based hand rub. Now, next sentence, alcohol-based hand rubs are particularly effective against many bacteria and viruses, making them a preferable option when hands are not visibly soiled. So this sentence states when should we use alcohol-based rubs. We need to use it when hands are visibly soiled. Regular and proper hand hygiene reduces the risk of transmitting harmful microorganisms and protecting both patients and healthcare workers from infection. This sentence again restates the importance of proper hand washing or hand hygiene. Next paragraph. Studies have shown that alcohol-based hand rubs kills most bacteria in seconds, reducing the risk of healthcare-associated infections. However, in cases where hands are contaminated with organic matter such as blood or bodily fluids, soap and water remain the best option. So the first sentence states that alcohol-based hand rub are most preferred because it kills or it eliminates most of the bacteria. However, if the hands has any kind of body fluids like blood, then the best option is soap and water. Hospitals provide a variety of hand hygiene products including antiseptic wipes and specialized sanitizers to ensure compliance with infection control guidelines. So the last sentence lists the kind of products that are available in the hospital to ensure hygiene, particularly hand hygiene. I hope you have understood the entire extract. Now, if you look closely, the extract begins us by giving us the information about the importance of hand hygiene. Then it introduces alcohol-based hand rubs and when it should be used. Then it again restates the importance of hand hygiene. And in the second paragraph, it starts by saying how effective is alcohol-based hand rub and when we should use soap and water to decontaminate hands. And finally, it gives us a few examples or a few products that are used in hospital settings to ensure hand hygiene. Now, let's move into the options. Option C. Let's start with option C. Option C says the main purpose of the extract is that it lists different types of hand hygiene products available in the hospital. If you match that option with the extract, that option is correct. That information we can see in the last sentence of the extract. But is that the main purpose? No. Like I told you, there may be extra information in the extract that does not change the main theme or main purpose. Here, this is not the main purpose of the extract. It is only one of the points mentioned in the extract. So that can't be the main theme or the purpose. So let's eliminate that. Moving to the second one, B. Describe how alcohol-based hand rubs works. Here you can see that many information or many points are told about alcohol-based hand rubs, but it doesn't say how it works. It says that it is best suited when hands are visibly soiled, or it can effectively kill bacteria on hand. But it doesn't say how it achieves this, or it doesn't say how alcohol-based hand rubs work. So that is also not our answer. Moving to the first one, explain the role of hand hygiene in preventing infection. Is that our answer? Yes, that is the answer, because you can see the first sentence starts by saying the importance of hand hygiene. Then the remaining information says how to achieve it. It says that by using alcohol-based hand rubs, soap and water, we can achieve this. And the last sentence of the first paragraph also again reiterate the importance of hand hygiene. That means the entire extract is talking about how to achieve hand hygiene and the importance of it in preventing infection in the hospital setting. I hope that is clear for you. Now let's move to the third and final question. Let's start with the first sentence. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining overall health. It should include a variety of food that provide essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now, you can see that the extract starts by stressing the importance of a balanced diet. Then it states what are the macronutrients, or what are the macronutrients that needs to be included in a balanced diet. Moving to the next sentence. Each nutrient plays a specific role. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support muscle growth, vitamins and minerals help regulate body functions. Now this sentence explains the role of each nutrient. Moving to the next sentence. Eating a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein ensures the body gets all the necessary nutrients. Following a balanced diet can help prevent chronic diseases and promote long-term well-being. Now, the last two sentences states the importance of consuming different types of food and how it helps in reducing the risk of several lifestyle diseases. Now, let's move to the next paragraph. Vitamins such as vitamin C help strengthen the immune system, while minerals like calcium are essential for bone health. A deficiency in these nutrients can lead to various health problems, including weak immunity, fatigue, and poor bone development. So these two sentences states the importance of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Why are they important, and what problems can arise if these vitamins or if these micronutrients are deficient in our diet. Moving to the last sentence. Nutritionists often recommend a diet rich in fiber and antioxidants to promote heart health and prevent chronic diseases. Now, the last sentence states the importance of fiber and antioxidants. I hope that's clear. Now, let's analyze the entire extract. The extract starts by stating the importance of a well-balanced diet and what all should include in a balanced diet. Then it further states the role of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, and vitamins for our body. It also discusses how a balanced diet can help in lowering certain disease condition. The second paragraph explains the role of vitamins and minerals and winds up by stating the importance of or role of fiber and antioxidants, and means how important it is for our body function. I hope this is clear. Now, if you look at it carefully, we can see that the entire extract is saying the importance of a balanced diet and how to achieve it, isn't it? Let's move to the options. First option, let's start with option C. Option C says provide guidelines on daily intake of essential nutrients. You can say that essential nutrients are listed in the extract, and it also states how they are important, but it doesn't give us a guideline on daily intake of essential nutrients. What do you mean by guideline on daily intake of essential nutrients? If that is the answer, the extract should be giving us how much gram of protein, how much gram of carbohydrate, or how much amount of vitamins and minerals we need to take on a daily basis. But you cannot see such information in the extract. That means option C is not the answer. Moving to option B, explain how vitamins and minerals contribute to a healthy body. Of course, you can see that information in the extract. The last paragraph states the importance of vitamins and minerals, but you can see that only two of the sentences discuss the option B. That means that cannot be the purpose of the extract. It is giving points, or it is only providing additional information that is contributing to the overall purpose or overall theme of the passage. So that cannot be the answer. Moving to option A, highlight the importance of a balanced diet for overall health. Exactly. The entire extract is giving us the importance of a well-balanced diet. It explains the role of macronutrients, micronutrients, fiber, antioxidants, and so on. I hope the answer is clear for you. I hope this session will be helpful for you. So whenever you come across this type of question, understand that the answer won't be limited to a single sentence in the extract. If you see an option, answer option that is mentioned in any of the sentences explicitly, just make sure that you won't answer that, because that won't be the answer. It will be providing only one information to the larger picture. So next time when you attempt this type of questions, make sure you apply these strategies. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.